Students, let's discuss exercise 5.3, 19th Roman. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19th, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are there 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? So here totally 200 logs given. At the same time, the bottom consists 20 logs and the next row 19 and the third row will be 18. So it is decreasing order. It is going on in the decreasing order. That is only given in this picture. At the same time, we need to find out the top row has how many logs. So we know that the logs in AP. So 20, 19, 18, etc. So the first term is 20. And the common difference we know that -1. So 1 is decreasing here. At the same time, total number of logs also we know that 200. We know that SN first term and common difference. And then how to find out the number of rows? We know that which is the suitable formula for this one. Sn equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn 200, then n by 2 of a is 20 plus n minus 1 d is minus 1. So 2 into 200 is 400 equal to n of 40 minus n plus 1. So 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n. Then multiply by n, 41n minus n square. Next, transpose to left hand side. If we transpose to left hand side, will be get plus n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Then students, we know that finally we got that is the general form of quadratic equation. So how to find out the value of n? We need to factorize here. If you factorize, you will be get 400. You will be get plus 400. The product is plus 400 and the sum is minus 41. Then you know that what are the two numbers? Minus 16 comma minus 25. If you added these two, will be get minus 41, and if you multiply these two, will be get 400. So n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. Here which is common? N is common. Then the remaining n minus 16. Here which is the common factor? Minus 25. So remaining n. Minus into minus plus, so minus 16 equal to 0. So n minus 16 is the common factor. Then the remaining n minus 25 equal to 0. So n minus 16 equal to 0 or n minus 25 equal to 0. So what is the value of n? N equal to 16 or n equal to 25. Here we found two n values, but only one n value is suitable here. Okay, 16 rows will be there or else 25 rows will be there. We need to check which is the suitable answer. How to check this one? We know the n value. Okay, so next we need to find out nth term. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the nth term we know that is logs, that should be positive. Okay, so see here. So when n is equal to 16, so a 16 equal to a first term 20 and the last term minus d is minus 1 and n is 16. So 16 minus 1 15, 15 into minus 1 minus 15. So 20 minus 15 is minus 5. So the 16th row will be 5. And the next when n is equal to 25, 20 plus 25 minus 1 of minus 1 is 20 minus 24 of minus 1 is minus 24. So 25th term is minus 4. So the negative value will not be considered here because they given logs. Okay, it should not be negative. So the number of rows will be 16. At the same time, and the nth row consists only 5 logs. So we know that the number of logs in 25th row is negative. So we will not consider this one. No need to consider. Then means 16th row is 5. So we can place 200 logs in 16 rows. And number of logs in 16th row is 5. Students, I hope you all understood this concept.